Everybody, Melissa Bohr-Jacobson here, Confident Performance Coaching. I recently learned that the Bak Middle School of the Arts has been rated the #1 middle school in the state of Florida. However, in order to go to Bak Middle School of the Arts, you have to pass an audition. But fortunately, my company, Confident Performance Coaching, has been coaching kids in confident, successful auditions for theater, communication, visual arts, and vocal for going now into our 24th year. We are kind of the preeminent grand dame of this kind of audition preparation. So if you are interested in having your child go to the best middle school in Florida, they're going to need to be prepared to have a very successful, confident audition. They're going to need that preparation. And our classes, both group and private classes, are actually starting this week. They're filling up quickly, but if you have not already done so, you can go to www.confidentperformancecoaching.com. You can read all about the classes, group classes that we offer, both in North Palm Beach in our main office, our main studio, and also the classes that we offer in Lake Worth. So two very